Alright, question 39. The table below shows a proportional relationship between the cups of flour X and the number of cookies Y for a given recipe. Based on this relationship, how many cookies can be made per cup of flour? Okay, so they are specifically talking about a proportional relationship between the cups of flour X, which is here, and the number of cookies Y in a given recipe. So they're talking about the relationship X to Y, all down here. They're telling us it's proportional. So I want to know what that proportion is, and then I want to verify that what they are saying is true, just so I know that I'm in the right ballpark. So I could use 1.5, but I'm going to start out with 3. So I want to know 3 times what is 48. When they're talking proportional relationships, that's what you're doing. You're multiplying by some number. So I'm going to divide this out. 3 goes into 4 one time. I'm left with 1, and I bring down the 8 to 18, and 3 times 6 is 18. So if I multiply 3 times 16, I'm going to get 48. Now I'm going to verify that this is true for another one. I'm going to use this one because it's simple in comparison. So I'm going to go 24. Nope, I'm not going to do 24. I'm going to do 16 times 1.5, and I should end up with 24. That's the goal. So 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Put a placeholder in there, 6 and 1. So I get 0, 14, and 2. 1 decimal placeover is 24. So that works out. So 1.5 times 16 is 24. So I'm going to trust what they're saying, that this is the same all the way down. So now the question is, how many cookies can be made per 1 cup of flour? They don't have that on here, right? But we know if I put in 1 cup of flour into my chart, I mean, it would be at the top, but because I don't have room up there, I'm doing it down here. If I had 1 cup of flour and all of these things are proportional, I should be able to say 1 times 16 to get the number of cookies, which is going to be 16. That should be the answer, right? So I think that's it. I think that's all we need to do. I'm not seeing, this is not a multiple choice question. This is a fill in the blank question. So anyway, I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one.